Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Open your books, page number 5. Today our topic is teeth. In previous class we were discuss heart. What is the function of heart? Heart pumps the blood all parts of the body. Hearts have 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Today we will discuss the structure of teeth. Teeth, before food can be used by the body, it must be broken down into smaller pieces. This breakdown begins in your mouth when you chew food. This is done by your teeth, your jaws and the muscles that move the jaws. Now what is the function of teeth? It can chew the food. It can broken down the food into smaller pieces. Underline these lines. A tooth has 2 main parts. How many parts? 2 main parts. Underline word 2. First one is the crown, which is that part which can be seen sticking out from the gum, and the root which holds the tooth firmly in its socket in the jawbone. Now the tooth has 2 main parts. First one is crown, second is root. The crown is that part which can be stick out from the gum. Look at this picture. This part is known as crown, which is sticking out from the gum. The lower part is known as root, which holds the tooth and its socket fixed in the jaw bones. Look at this diagram, the human jaw. The outer portion is known as crown and the fixed part is known as root. It's fixed with the jaws. The crown is covered by a non-living substance called enamel. Now this crown is covered with a non-living substance. That substance is called enamel, which is the hardest substance in the body. It protects the tooth from wearing away. Now this substance is very hard. It's the most hardest part of the body and it can protect the tooth. There are 4 types of teeth in the human jaw. Now how many types of teeth in the human jaw? 4. Underline this word. Come to the diagrams. The first type is incisor. Now what is the function of incisor? It can cut cleanly into the food, the front part of teeth, and it can cleanly cut the food. Second type is canine. Now what is the function of canine? It's a more pointed teeth. Humans use them for biting, but some animals, such an example of dogs, they have long canine teeth. They can use it for catching their prey, or they can also tear flesh. They can also tear meat, etc. Third type is premolar. Premolar and molar. These two have flat crowns which moved across each other, chew and grind the food into the pulp. These are 4 types of teeth. First is incisor, second canine, third premolar, fourth is molar. First one is used for cleanly cut the food. Second is used for biting. Third and fourth is used for chewing and grinding. These are 4 types. Now look at this diagram. This upper part is known as crown and the lower part is known as root. There are 4 types of teeth in the human jaw. Incisors are shaped like chisels so that they can cut cleanly into the food. The first type is incisor. Second, canines. Canines are more pointed. Humans use them for biting, but some animals like dogs have long canine teeth which they use for catching prey and tearing flesh. Premolars and molars have flat crowns which, when moved across each other, chew and grind the food into pulp. These are 4 diagrams, 4 types of teeth and their diagrams. It's a full structure of human jaw. This part is known as jaw. It's a tooth. It's enough for today. Again, I summarize the topic. Today we discuss the structure of teeth. What is the function of teeth? It's just broken down the food into smaller pieces. There are 4 types of teeth: incisor, canines, premolar and molars, and 2 parts, crown and root. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.